Hey, do this tip to unlock more time. Okay? Very, very important thing, right? You have to be able to learn how to have strategies and systems inside your business. What does that even mean? You have to be able to learn how to do an action one time and have it give you, leads and clients 6 months from now. I was talking to one of my clients, um, and she put up a video about a specific particular topic, and then all she has to do now is just drive people to her video, and then whenever someone watches the video, they go and they join her attention pool, or they go and take the call to action that's inside of her video. Okay, cool. And then she does a couple messages. She just responds to people who've seen the video, asks if they want to do a consultation call to start to try and work with her, and then they pay her. That's it. So now all she does is she just focuses on creating content to drive people to that video. That then tells them to sign up for a consultation call. That she works what 2 3 hours a day. If she fully leaned into the thing, she could actually be working less than 4 to 5 hours a day. But that's a tale for another time. But what that really allows you to do is it allows you to really be able to enjoy the work. Because once you understand exactly what works and what it takes to be successful, then things start being more fun. The only time business is really not fun is when, either you're stressed about money and you're stressed about and confused about what it actually takes to reach your goals and reach your dreams. I've been there. Okay, I completely understand. The first year that I was trying to, get my consulting and my coaching business off the ground, it was extremely difficult. I didn't know what to do. I was spending what, like 6 to 7 hours a day messaging people in inboxes. I was, having to do random content videos and hope that people actually went and bought from me. I would run advertisements to videos, and they would get a lot of views, but no one would actually go and do what I needed them to do. It was just ridiculous. It was just ridiculous, right? So what I had to learn how to do was I had to learn how to rely and build systems that were going to feed me leads and feed me consultations in the future. Okay? What does that mean for you? What that means for you is it's going to allow you to go get your time back, to be able to go spend time with your kids, to be able to go out to dinner, to be able to, really enjoy the time that you have with your family. Whether you want to go travel, maybe you want to go work while you're at the beach. I don't know exactly what it is for you. Maybe you just don't want to have a boss anymore. You want to fire your boss? This is how you do it, okay? The first way and the fastest way for you to be able to go get this information is for you to go get in alignment with the strategies inside of my free group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need to start moving forward towards the business and the life that I believe that you deserve. If that's something that you've been searching for, someone to step by step hold you by the hand and take you through how to actually, improve your business, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully, you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. One of the worst feelings that, I had was waking up, 2 years later after one of my businesses failed and then thinking, oh crap, I'm starting back from ground zero. Don't let that be you. Go get the secrets from that I'm sharing inside of this group, now. So you don't have to wake up 2 years later and be in the same position, in the same job, hating exactly what you do. Okay? So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this. Feel free to hit that share button so someone else can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Subscribe and see you later.